Okay, problem 15-11. This is a continuation on AC fundamentals. So let's start. No? For V equals 170 sine 2450 t, determine V at t equals 3.65 milliseconds and show the point of the V waveform. Okay, so tingnan natin muna ang given. Ang given dito class is, diba, V 170 sine 2450 t. So actually class, no, this is a voltage waveform, voltage equation, a sinusoidal voltage equation. V equals 170 sine 2450 t. Yung ang 170 natin class is the amplitude, no? Pag i-graph natin, yan ang peak value. And then what is 2450? Our amplitude class Vm is 170 volts, no? And then of course our W, angular velocity, makikita natin dito ang angular velocity, di ba? Di ba? Ito, this one is Vm sine Wt. Our Vm, no, our Vm is 170, then sine, and then our W is 2450 then dt. So meaning our W, angular velocity, is 2450, then the unit is of course radian per seconds. Right? So ano yung kanyang frequency? Kung magtanong ako, ano ang kanyang frequency? No? Ano ang kanyang frequency? Again, we will use the equation for conversion, no? W is equals to 2 pi f. Alright? So our f, frequency, given ng angular velocity, W equals 2 pi. Our W is 2450 over 2 pi. How much? Calculator. Ano yun? 2,450 over 2 pi. 2,450 over 2 pi and equals 389.93, no? Our frequency F is 389.23 hertz or cycle per second. Okay? So pag ganitong type of given class, makikita natin ang ating amplitude, of course 170, then ang 2450 is our angular velocity. So pwede natin kunin dyan ang frequency, no? 389.23 hertz. Okay. So pero ang tanong niya is, we have to determine the value of V at t equals 3.65 milliseconds. Okay, so dito tayo, no? Given ang V is equals to 170 sine 2450 t. So we are looking for V at t 3.65 milliseconds. Ang 3.65 milliseconds class, dapat gawin natin exponent yan kasi wala sa calculator ang milli. Yan. That is 3.65 times 10 negative 3 seconds. Okay, so right, so unahin natin muna ito, no? So since, di ba, our angle is Wt. Okay, so given naman ang W, which is 2450 times your T is what? 3.65 times 10 negative 3. Okay, so your angle is equals to, calculator, Calculator. All clear. Got 2,450 times 3.65 exponent negative 3 equals 894.25. 8.9425. What is the unit? The unit is radian. Diba? Again, no, ang radian that is representing angles and also degrees. Also degrees representing also angles. So dito, in radian siya, not degrees. Okay, so 8.9425 radian. So pwede natin salpak sa equation ng voltage natin, which is V is equals to 170 sine what? Sine 89425. Sorry. Right. Okay. Sine 8.9425. 25, but to be sure, our calculator nakaset sa radian kasi ito plus ay radian, ito not degrees, no? 8 when, lagyan ko doon ng radian 8.9425 radian. Okay, so be sure your calculator you must set that one into radian. So mode saan ang radian? Okay, shift then 4. Okay, radian ano, so 170 kasi it involves trigonometric function. Dapat be careful tayo sa radian and degrees. Sine 8.9425, right, equals 78.85. So 78.85 volts. That is actually at T is equals to 3.65 milliseconds. So ang value ng V natin is 78.85 volts. Right? So yan ang unang tanong. Determine V at 3.65 milliseconds. That is 78.85 volts. And second is show the point on the V waveform. Show the point on the V waveform. So gawa tayo ng graph. Yan. Okay, so this one plus is your volts and this one is your time milliseconds. Or mas maganda class, palitan natin ito into degrees, angles, no? Yan, para makita natin kung saan ang 3.65 milliseconds. So saan ba ang 3.65 milliseconds? Di ba? At 3.65 milliseconds, palitan ko. At T, no, is equals to 3.65 milliseconds. Diba your alpha is ano yun? 2,450 times 3.65 milliseconds ito, no? Times 10 negative 3, that is equals to 8.9425. Sorry. Pero radian ito class, no? Radian. So we have to convert this one to degrees, no? Radian sa baba, degrees sa taas. 360 degrees, sorry. 360 degrees is 2 pi radian. Now this will be how much? We have to use calculator. So ang angle natin class, ang unit dito is degrees na, no? Okay, so 8.9425 radian. Conversion ito class, i-convert natin ang radian to degrees. 360 over 2 pi equals, that is 512.37 degrees. 512.37 degrees. Okay. So, ang time natin class at 3.65 milliseconds nasa 512.37 degrees. So, saan banda dito class ang 512.67 degrees? Di ba? One rotation, that is, oh sorry. Close natin, no? 512.30, excuse me. 512.37 degrees. So, saan dito class ang 78.85 volts. So, banda, kasi, no? This one is 180, 360. Palitin lang natin, ha? Ayan. 180, sorry. 180, diba? And then 360. 360 plus another 180, 540. Sorry. So, ganyan, no? 180, 360, 540. So, nandito class ang 540. So, ano ba yung angles natin at 3.65? That is 512. Pag this one class is 90, I mean, this one is 360, no? Sa gitna nito, that is actually plus 90 degrees. 360 plus 90, sorry, 360 plus 90, 450. So, 512, banda dito class ang 512. Yan. Diba? So, nandito ang, sorry, palitan ko ng color na. Banda dito class ang 512 degrees. So that is 78.85 volts. Plano. Okay? So first, no, para makita natin, no, kasi ang tanong dito is we have to show the point on the B waveform. So dapat ang horizontal natin naka degrees para makita natin, no? Kasi makita natin yung rotation, yung cycle, no? Pag naka degrees ang angles, no? Convert natin, no? Convert natin ang radian to degrees. That is equivalent to 512. So banda dito plus ang 78.85 volts. Okay, so thank you for watching.